Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back and welcome to Dollar Store Deals. This is fun. So we have a lantern here that runs on 3 AA batteries, so that's totally off. And it's kind of like a dimmer control. And it does have a certain part where it just maxes out, so even though you still have a little bit of room left. But pretty cool though, because you've got 4 LEDs, 4 LEDs, and 4 more LEDs. So you got like 12 LEDs there, and it's pretty bright. Let me just turn off my lights in here a bit, and voila. So she's pretty bright, not too shabby. That was actually from Dollarama, okay, or not Dollarama, sorry, Dollar Tree, for $1.25. That was a really cool deal. I saw these and I'm like, you know, they're pretty cheap looking, and you know, it's like, all right, the base unscrews. And put your 3 batteries in and screw the bottom back on, and away you go. And you've got like hours and hours of runtime of this thing, and a cool carry handle as well, which is nice, and you can fold it down on the sides. So that was a really awesome deal. So if you've got a Dollar Tree nearby you, that was a whole $1.25. I can't even build something like that for $1.25. You know, like even the LEDs, depending where you bought them from, could cost you like 15 bucks. Or if you get your LEDs from China like I do at Banggood, you can get 1,500 of them for 7 bucks. But what about the rest of it? You're not going to build that for $1.25. That is just insanely cool. I like that. So I like techie toys. I like all kinds of things. I love flashlights of all sorts. The other thing we got here, now this was actually from Dollarama, and this was $4. And it's an 1800 milliamp power bank, and they have them in different colors, so I kind of went for purple. I think my wife got a pink one or a red one. But anyways, I marked it on the bottom because I'm like, oh, where's the package? So, because I threw the package out, right? So my wife hadn't opened hers yet, so I got the writing off of hers, so I wrote it down. But there's a red light that'll flash in this thing. So you got the micro USB, you plug it in, right in like that. And then you plug this end into your computer USB port or a wall art charger, you know, like USB charger, and charge it up. And if you turn it upside down while it's charging, you'll see the red light flashing. That's indicating that it's charging. Once it's fully charged, the light goes out, and you got 1800 milliamps of backup power to either top up your iPad or Android tablet or your phone, that sort of thing. I probably more recommend them for phones because tablets tend to have some pretty high capacity batteries in them compared to phones. But even your phone, if you're using your phone all day long and you're using it a lot, you're going to run out of juice probably before the end of the day, right? And that's a great way to top up your phone. So, and I have used this thing actually to run an LED bar light that has dimmer control, and I just ran it like full bore for like hours on end, like pretty much all day. And then it still had a bit of juice left in it, so I thought, well, let's see if it can top up my phone a little bit. So I got about 4% energy into my phone, and that was the end of it. Now, the bar light I was using, I've actually got 2 of these things kicking around, and I gotta find out where I put the other one. It's around here someplace. I just wanted to show you what the bar light actually looks like. So, yeah, I'll just snag the one off my computer here. So, this is the bar light here that I was using. Actually, my black one, but same thing. They're just one's black, one's gold. And I ran this just as a desk lamp, like for virtually all day, and it ran great, full power, no dim at all in it. When I took it off, it was still running full light power. So then I decided to try charging my iPhone a little bit, and I got about an extra 4%, which was not too bad, and then it went dead. Now it takes about 2 hours, especially when it's dead, to actually charge this thing up when it's like, that's it, done. Initially when you pull it out of the box, you want to top it up because it's not fully charged, okay? About an hour, roughly, depending on the charger you're using. A fast charger will do it probably in about 40 minutes, half an hour to 40 minutes. But I just used a regular low-powered charger just so I didn't, you know, force all that energy in too fast. And it was like, you know, not bad for time. So I was quite happy with that. So that was $4. Now, that's not bad. I have a 12,000 milliamp power bank. My next test I'm going to do on this is to see how long it'll run my security camera. Because I have a couple of security cameras. One of them chews up more power than the other, but I want to see how many hours of use I can get using that, because they are USB powered cameras, so you can plug them into any USB power source. And I want to see how long this at fully charged will actually run that security camera for. And but I got a feeling it'll run for quite a while, because if it ran this whole bar strip of lights, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 10 cob lights in here. And they're pretty bright, so you know it should do pretty good for the camera. We'll see though, because it's got to run video and it's got to run its infrared night vision stuff and everything else. But definitely good deals. Check them out. Dollar Tree for this boy for $1.25. Dollarama for $4. Now that's Canadian dollars. You know, and I think they're really good ideas. They work well. So don't be afraid of buying something cheap, because you never know, it could actually work really well for you. I think this lamp here is just awesome. You know, for $1.25, like seriously, that's pretty good. And you know, when the battery's in there, it actually feels like it's got some more quality in it, because it's actually got some weight in there now. But even, you know, there's a little bit of movement here, but that's to be expected. They got to put the thing together. You know, and but very styling, very cool. Works great, nice and bright. So if you have a power outage, you need flashlights, or you want a lantern, what's wrong with a battery-powered lantern? You know, and it's a lot safer than burning those oil lamps, that's for sure, because you can knock this over and it's not a big deal. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will be sure to catch you guys on the next one. Ciao.